Stock futures are holding steady as investors brace for crucial employment data. The market's anticipation is palpable, with key players awaiting insights into the health of the job market. In the quiet hours before the data release, stock futures remained relatively unchanged. SP futures showed a modest increase of 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 futures hovered just above the flat line. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added a subtle 0.1% too. But here's where it gets interesting. Intel's shares jumped 1.5% in after-hours trading, fueled by a Bloomberg report suggesting the chipmaker is seeking an investment from Apple. This move comes as Intel looks to bolster its position in the market, especially after Nvidia's recent $5 billion investment in the company. The three major U.S. indexes experienced a dip on Wednesday, with key AI leaders like Nvidia, Oracle, and Micron Technology losing momentum. This market action reflects concerns about overvalued stocks and potential risks within the AI industry's circular relationships, especially post-deals. The SP 500 snapped its three-day winning streak on Tuesday, adding to the market's cautious mood. Thursday's release of weekly jobless claims data is a critical economic indicator that could sway the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions. Initial unemployment claims last week showed a slight easing after a brief spike the week before. Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged that a slowing labor market is a priority, outweighing inflation concerns, which influenced the recent rate cut decision. Salvatore Rischitti, U.S. equity strategist at MRB Partners, believes the recent hiring slump won't spiral into a negative cycle of layoffs. He said, "I think you'd need to see a significant spike in weekly jobless claims to trigger a notable negative reaction in the equity market." Investors are also keeping a watchful eye on Friday's Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index and monitoring potential government shutdown developments. In the world of stock futures, every piece of data is a puzzle piece, and the picture it paints can influence global markets. With key data points on the horizon, the market's next move is anyone's guess. What do you think? Will the jobless claims data sway the market's sentiment? Share your thoughts in the comments.